The best way to make egg and potato in a native way. In a clean pot, I will first of all add in vegetable oil. After that, I will add in 1 teaspoon of red oil. For those of us that don't know the meaning of red oil, so red oil is one of the oil we have in Africa, so we use it to cook food and it's just the best. So now I will add in potato. So potato is already washed and peeled. I just chop it like this. I will just add all of it inside the pan. I will just fry this for just 5 minutes. After that, I will turn the back side to fry just like this. This is 5 minutes later. I really don't know if any other countries have red oil, because over here in India we don't have red oil here. We only have normal oil but no red oil. I think it's only Africans that have oil, that have red oil. So I don't know if you are living in Germany or if you are living in America. So let me know in the comment section if you know if they have red oil over there. So over here is pepper mix. I have tomato, pepper and onions. So I just finished chopping it. I'm going to add in 5 eggs inside the tomato, then stir both together. Before I stir, I will add in some seasoning, which is black pepper and salt to taste. Then I will stir this together. Our today haul goes to Tony Ewere, watching from Nigeria. Thank you so much, my brother, for being part of the family. I'm so grateful to have you all here. Don't forget to share our recipe. Next to fry is the egg. So over here I have a pan. I have some vegetable oil. Then I will add in 1 teaspoon of red oil. Then mix together. I will just let the oil to hot in a little bit. I did not bleach it that much. So now it's already. I will just add in the egg and the tomato mix together. I will just take my time to fry this with medium heat for 5 minutes. Just fry with medium heat. I will be stirring as it's going, just like this. So after now, the sauce will be ready, and all I do is to serve in a plate and we enjoy. It just is simple, and the reason why I use this red oil to make this egg and fry potato is to have a different flavor. Guys, trust me, because the flavor that come out is just so unique. I love it so much, and every bit of it is just so delicious. I just like this recipe. That's why I bring it to your doorstep. If you do, please share our video and always let us know where you are watching from, so that the next haul will be for you. This is all for today. I love you all. Stay blessed, because I'm going to enjoy this recipe with this fried potato and fried egg. Is just the best. I love you all. Bye bye. Share our video to people around you. Always drop amazing comments under our post. Look at that. Look at that. Just imagine this recipe. If you take this in the morning, you will thank me later. See you in my next one. Bye.